Good morning, friends. What's up? I'm trying to get out of the house a little bit early in the morning nowadays and walk a little bit, and it feels so refreshing. It's like a privilege to get some fresh air since we are home all day. So it feels really good. Okay, friends, so today we are going to be doing a day in my life, and I hope you join me on this journey today because we are going to do things together. So first thing, I'm having some pineapple juice today, and it's so good. Pineapple is actually very interesting, okay, because we are not supposed to be having pineapple when we are pregnant. It's because there's an enzyme called bromelain in this, and because it's the same enzyme, it's good to have that when you are on a weight loss diet because it improves your metabolism and it cuts down on the fat. So for a flatter tummy, today we're going to be doing some exercises as well. So I hope you all join me on this and do that along with me so that we can do this all together. Okay? And when we do things together, it's going to be interesting. This is because one of you suggested me to include an exercise workout so that we can all do it along with each other. So it's going to be an interesting day. I'll show you in a little bit what I'm going to have for breakfast, but since I'm going to be a little full with this, I'll keep sipping onto this and start preparing kids' breakfast. Kids are going to have some interesting pancakes today, so let's get started. Okay, I'm adding 2 pieces of spinach. I had actually made this on the weekend, so you can check that meal prep video if you wanna see how I made that. So this is actually very helpful. You get some instant spinach puree and you can mix it up anywhere you want to. Okay, so it's about 8:30 now, 8:45 actually, and kids are not yet awake and I am starting to get a little hungry. So let's see what we are going to have for breakfast. Me and my husband, we're going to have these overnight oats for breakfast today. I'm just wondering whether I need to warm it up or eat it as such. It's easier and it's good to eat overnight oats in comparison to the oatmeal that we cook because it's easily digestible. And today we are actually looking for good and healthy weight loss and easily digestible metabolism improving recipes. I should have probably taken it out a little earlier and kept it. I'll warm it up a little bit in the microwave and then start having. So we both are gonna have that, and that's why I was telling, like, some of you were asking, do you like prepare different recipes for your kids? And yes, sometimes we do and sometimes we don't. It's not always the same. And yeah, kind of these days like this, they'll have pancakes and we're gonna have this, so it just varies on different days. I used almond milk actually here, so it's not thickened up so much. It's still a little loose consistency, but it tastes good and there is nice carrot flavor all around. So for making this recipe, it's very easy. I'm going to be working on this video which has to go live today. I would love to know if any of you make YouTube videos. I just want to know how many of the viewers here have their own channel, or if you have time, would you start a YouTube channel? I would love to know your thoughts, and I would love to know if I could help in any way because I have been doing this for a few years now, and it's interesting to know how YouTube has changed, and if I could help in any way, do let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you would have already seen this video by now, which is meal prep. I had planned for a whole month of groceries and we are going to make recipes out of it. That's what we're going to be doing this month. I don't know why, but still so many of the viewers search me by the name Candid Homemaker. I don't know where did that come from, but I just see that lots of them search like that. I also wanted to let you know that if already you are searching for my channel by the name Candid Homemaker, please do subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification icon. That's the only thing that you need to do so that you get updated whenever I post the next video. Okay, so please make sure that you have clicked on the bell notification. Okay, I got this shirt from Amazon yesterday and it's so long. Like, I got a size small and it's so long, it doesn't even have a tag here. I don't know where they get these shirts from, but since returning is easy here on Amazon, I'm gonna take a small box, put it in and tape it up. Anjali, your hair has become so long.
Yeah. But I want to be
It's longer than Rapunzel's.
dip in the pancake.
So they're having their breakfast. I'm getting started with lunch. We are making that in the Instant Pot today. It's a very easy dump and go sort of meal. We'll get it done soon. I'm getting it heated. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. Kind of chopped everything and kept here. That's 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 chopped up carrot and 2 stalks of celery. We'll add all of that inside. So let that soften up a little bit. I'm going to add in some minced garlic, some red chilies. This is coriander cumin powder mixture. 1.5 teaspoon, half teaspoon garlic powder and half teaspoon red chili powder. Then we're going to be adding 1 cup of roasted quinoa, half cup of corn, 1 cup of black beans, some chopped up tomatoes and some tomato paste. Add the vegetable broth. We'll pressure cook for 7 minutes. Okay, so now that we are done preparing the lunch, we have some time, so it's time to play
Tall Tales.
Yeah, we're gonna play this Tall Tales. It's such a nice game that we can all play, like all the age groups can enjoy playing this, and that's why we got this. I will link it in the description box below if you want to check that out. But do you love playing Tall Tales, Anjali? Yeah.
Open up
Okay, where is the boo-boo? I don't see any boo-boos here.
here
Okay.
with the little dot. Thank you, Mommy.
So we have all these cards here.
Yep, those
Yeah.
are the environments of the story.
Yes.
So fast, we gotta pick 8 story pieces of this bag without seeing, and then you have to take 1 card and make a story with all your pieces that you took in this box.
Yeah, and these cards are the environments. So like it's a farm, a plane, a city, and all those kind of stuff.
And then look, it was so easy to go to home. And then she drinks some milk. The end.
Okay, so now we're getting started with some exercise. I hope you do this with me. And all of this are concentrating on the belly area. Ready? Okay, let's get started.
I think that's called a core.
Yes, the core.
That's what my gym teacher calls it.
Yes, it is. First one is Russian
Twist.
So we need to sit like this, like a slight V. Okay, and then just pretend that you have something with you, or you can take a ball.
Some dumbbells.
Okay, and then we just twist. So you sit here, Anjali, you sit here.
But make sure your upper body slanted and your knees bent. Okay, so it's basically like a W. Dun dun dun.
What sort of W is that?
It's kind of small W.
Okay, Anjali, sit here.
What can be a V?
Okay, sit here and stay like this, and then pretend like this. Okay, leave some space so that you don't get hurt. Okay, ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
Next one is, I need your help with this.
Yep, sit-ups.
Yes, sit-ups. So that,
If you have a partner or anything with you,
yeah, it'll be helpful
yeah,
for someone to hold your feet. How are you going to hold that?
like this, so her feet doesn't go up when she's doing the sit-ups.
Okay.
And without any, with your elbows or hands, you only have to go up with your abdominal muscle strength.
Okay. Ready, steady, go.
Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, Adi,
You're welcome.
my partner.
I can see your sweat.
Yes. I hope you are sweating too. Next is
Crunches.
crunches. So for that, we're gonna lay down, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, last one. What do we have? Side planks. So just doing the planks.
I think you're all familiar with planks.
Yeah, everyone is familiar with planks, and then lay on your side and with the strength of your elbow, and keep your tummy tucked in and just raise. Stay for how long? Not 25 minutes. Oh my god.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on the other side.
Yep. And on the other side, it's 10 more seconds, so that'll be 20 seconds, and that would be 2,000 milliseconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So
I hope you did it along with us. I mean you.
thank you, partner. I hope you do this exercise as much as possible whenever you have the free time too.
I know. You can do it on the evening, and after your baby sleeps, you can stop.
I love you, Ali. Partner. Someone needs a partner.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, so you need a partner for this.
yeah. A partner makes things easy. Right? Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I am here in Adi's room getting some lessons started. Adi's there downstairs doing some work on his iPad, and my husband is doing his work, and Anjali is taking a nap right there, and I can get some work done right now. I'm really excited to let you all know that I'm almost halfway, like more than halfway of this program, and within the next few weeks I would be certified as a health coach. Really looking forward for that, and this course has taught me so much, and it has given me so many ideas, and to look at diet from a different perspective, like a different way of looking at lifestyle and health. And I am so excited because this week I'm having my first coaching call. Like, I'm taking the first client, because right now we are officially certified to start taking clients. I'm really looking forward for that, and I can't wait to be actually certified. So right now we are learning about Atkins diet, and there are some assignments that I need to get done for that, and there are 4 tests basically that we need to pass, and I'm done with 2. There are 2 more to go. Yeah, really excited. And if you want to know more about this program, I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to check that out, because some of you are wanting to know more. So if you want to take a sample class and to see if you are interested in such a program, I will leave the link. Okay, let me get going.
I'm gonna take 2.
Okay. I'm gonna have some strawberries as well, along with some almond butter. So it's good to have fruits along with some fat, because it would not increase your blood sugar levels as much. Okay, I'm gonna be making some snacks with Brussels sprouts, and it's so tasty. I'm making in the air fryer. Slice it into halves, preheating at 350 Fahrenheit. So I have some shallots and the Brussels sprouts halved. And I'll add a little bit of oil, some salt, some pepper. Okay, I'm gonna place it inside for about 25 minutes. I like to eat it as such, but for kids, if they want to have it with some dip, you can add in a little bit of mayonnaise, some balsamic glaze, mustard, lemon rind. Squeeze some lemon juice. Now these Brussels sprouts are very crispy on the outside and slightly soft on the inside. Do you want to taste? The kids enjoyed it and I enjoyed it. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you do enjoy this. Okay friends, so I hope you enjoyed the recipes that I shared today, as well as the day in general. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. I surely did enjoy exercising together with you, and hope you also did the same. And until I see you all in my next video, take care and bye bye.